Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some geometry of triangles, and I'm going to get straight into it. Now they've said to us in the above diagram, AC is equal to DF, so AC is equal to DF, which they've marked for us. And they've said to us AB is equal to DE, which they haven't marked, so let's mark that in. 1, 2, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines. And then finally, they've said to us BF is equal to CE, which they have marked in for us. That refers to those two lines over there. They've said to us, prove that BC, so we've got BC, is equal to EF. All right, now do you notice that BE is this one long line, okay? In order for us to get BC, we subtract CE from it. And in order to get EF, we subtract BF from it. But BF and CE are the same size. So if we subtract the same size from this longer line to get two different lines, those lines must be the same size. How would we write that in maths? Well, we would say that the longer line, BE, okay, so BE minus CE leaves us with, so we've looked at BE minus CE leaves us with BC. Apologies for running over the lines. And if we look at the longer line again, so the longer line is BE minus, okay, BF. That also equals EF. All right? But we know that BF equals CE. So I'm going to say, but CE equals BF. Okay? And therefore, we have proven that BC is equal to EF. And our reason is included here, mostly because CE is equal to BF. Right, hopefully that makes sense. Make sure you're writing all of that down so that you're able to prove this in a test. That's a little bit more of a tricky question, so hopefully it makes sense to you. Remember, you can reach out to us if it doesn't. If we move on to the next one, we've got 10.3.2. Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So we've got triangle ABC, which is this one here, is congruent to triangle EDF. Right, how would we do this now? Well, when we prove that triangles are congruent, we're proving that they are exactly the same. Right, so with that in mind, I'm going to dive straight into this one. I'm going to make 3 statements, okay, about them, and then I'm going to conclude that they are exactly the same. The first thing I'm going to say is I'm going to say that the line AB is equal to the line ED. Okay, that has been given to us in the question. So we can write that as our reason given. Okay, the second one we're going to say is that AC is equal to FD. And that has also been given to us, AC and FD. So that has also been given. Finally, and this is the really tricky bit, we can say that BC is equal to EF, as we proved in the previous question. So we can say proven. And that was proven above. So now we've got 3 things. So the BC and FE, or EF, those 2 lines are equal. So we've got 2 triangles that have the exact same size sides. So therefore, we can conclude that triangle ABC, I'm going to just move below, is congruent, the 3 horizontal lines, to triangle DEF. And our reason there is that we've got 3 sides that are the same length. That gives us the full marks for that question. Moving on to the next one, why is angle B equal to angle E? Okay, so why is angle B equal to angle E? And very simply, angle E is the corresponding side to angle B, And the reason, therefore, is that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Right, brilliant. Simple as that. Okay, remember, we've got B is in the same place as E, and because they're corresponding angles, they must equal each other because they are congruent. And then finally, we've got what is the relationship between AB and ED. So we've got AB over here and ED over there. What is the relationship between AB and ED? Well, the relationship is simply that AB is equal to ED, and that is because either triangle ABC is perpendicular, to triangle DEF, okay, because we can spot that AB is in the same spot as DE, but also they've given this one to us in the question, okay? So they've given this to us in the question, which would therefore we could also say that it's been given to us. And that gives us all of the answers and gives us 100% for this question. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Before I go, very special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Until the next time, stay epic.